how to enable or disable camera voice commands on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the camera app. Then tap on the settings icon at the top. Now we go down, and in here we go down to the general section and tap on shooting methods. Next in here, you can tap on voice commands. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on voice commands. So this is an additional option for allowing you to take photos by issuing command like smile, cheese, capture. So let's test it out. Let's go back to your camera and we say cheese. And you can see that will allow the phone to automatically capture the picture, or we can say smile, smile, shoot. So a number of different commands that you can use to take pictures without having to touch on the shutter buttons. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.